Morning guys, it is October 29th, 2024. So here I got a call from a guy who's got a problem with his furnace. He says that when he runs it, when the fan kicks on, the burners roll out like crazy. Getting a lot of rollout when the fan comes on, so that's not sounding good. We're gonna go over there and see what's going on with the furnace. Sounds like it needs a new furnace. So it's like probably an 18-year-old Amana. That's what he had said. So go over there and take a peek at it. See what's going on with it. See if it can be fixed. Sounds like it's going to be a rip and tear job. So it sounds like to me. Switch and everything. I'm sitting there looking monster for this house. He's saying he's getting rollout. So you can say you see the flames like rolling out of this thing? Here we go.
Yeah, yesterday, like you said, when the main fan
when the fan kicks on,
when the big fan came on. And they've never done that before for me on the...
Alright, so that's all looking good, and we'll see when the fan kicks on what it does.
And then I had water. Water was coming from above, and I was catching it, and then it was quite a bit of water. So we knew something was right. I checked the line back to the sink.
Yeah, there goes the rollout. Look at that.
Yeah,
yeah, you got a cracked heat exchanger. See how it rolls out with the fan?
oh, it's horrible.
See it?
Yeah, I never did that before last year. I kept it running.
Yeah, it's going to do is it's going to trip that reset right there.
Yeah, eventually.
Can't run it like that.
No.
Yeah, look at this flipping returned. I mean, what the hell does work like that? So why did you go with a 90 plus? You want to go with a 90 plus? You want to go with an 80 plus into the chimney? The chimney's still good?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the hot water heater's venting in there now, and it's...
If it was me, I would go with an 80 plus and dump it right into the chimney.
They're more reliable, aren't they?
More reliable, less bullshit, you know?
Yeah. Oh, I know.
You're going to get hotter air upstairs, too. You get like 130, you're getting like 110 on this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
These don't last as long.
No, no.
Well, you've seen it rolling out there, I mean. Not good. The worst thing you could do is put an oversized system in, you know?
I think they all
that you don't need an oversized system. That's the worst thing you could do for. Because then it's short cycles, you know?
There's a bedroom back there.
What I could do is I could take all the ductwork too, and I could measure it up. You got a kitchen here.
Empty and free to back hall.
And plus you got bedrooms upstairs.
Yeah, three
Yeah,
upstairs.
the 3 dormers are bedroom.
3 dormers.
Couple of storage rooms.
So you heating upstairs also?
Oh, yeah.
No, not in the winter, not really.
Oh,
There's,
here we are.
well,
Let's take a look.
There's pipes up there that I gotta protect, you know? There's a half bath there, so I got pipes in the storage room. And I have to keep those warm.
All in all wall hung.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get killed up here, am I? The place haunted? No?
For the bats.
Yeah, I'll go a little 100,000. It'll be all right in here. I mean, is there ducks up here or no? Yeah. All right. We gotta do something about that return. Clean that return up. I mean, that's ridiculous.
This is the return. This is the return for the.
No, the return downstairs. It's that little tiny drop that they connected.
Yeah.
That's flipping crazy.
I don't know why they did that.
Yeah, they're cheap. They're hackers. I want to do the job. I want to make sure it's, you know, clean and up to par here, you know. Let's take a look. Let's get some measurements. Can't run it like that. Alright, look at this fucking return. There's no filter in it. Doesn't even have a filter. Oh, he's got a filter here in the back. Where's the filter? In the front or the back?
It's right there.
It's in the back?
It's right there.
In the top?
It's right there.
What's all this tape shit for?
I had to put that to tight so I wouldn't leak. The filter was the filter. The odd thing about the filter is it doesn't collect that much dust.
Well, you got the door off. It ain't gonna collect no dust. So it goes in the front or what?
That's the filter.
Fucking thing is crazy. It's 19 and a half on the plenum. Where does the filter go? In the front or the side or where?
It slides right in there.
In the front?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's better.
That's right.
I could put a little cap on there for you, but why do you got tape all over it? I don't get
It
it.
was leaking.
Because it was leaking?
Yeah.
Well, I could put some silver tape on there and kind of clean that up. You can't leave this white shit on there.
Yeah.
That's bad. Yeah. I wouldn't worry about it here. We could seal all that up. I got to do something about this. See what we got here. 19 by 22. We should bring that down and connect it, you know, full size. What do we got here? Returns. That's a 7. 7 and 8. Another 8. Ain't a lot of return, I'll tell you. 2 8s and a 7.
Yeah, it was an old oil burner in there before that had a
But I'd like to at least, you know, come down with something that's pretty decent here and clean this up. I mean, I could put a plenum in there, something to get a plenum for it, clean it up. This is 19 and a half. Well, like a 20-inch wide furnace will be fine. Something like 100,000 BTUs. This is 115. You want to go into the chimney or you want to vent it outside? What do you want to do? If we go with a 90 plus, it's going to have a secondary heat exchanger. It's going to condensate and we have to vent it outside.
Yeah.
Or we go with an 80 plus and just dump it right into the chimney and get rid of this vent.
Yeah.
Then you only got one heat exchanger. You don't have two.
Right.
But as far as this is an old drafty house, you're better off with the 80 plus
Yeah.
than you are with the 90.
Yeah.
Did you find out that when they put this in, it didn't heat as good, or it seemed a little different?
Yeah, when you put your hand on the
It's not going to be as warm.
it wouldn't.
The register, it'd be like 110 coming out.
Yeah.
With the regular furnace, it'd be like 130.
Yeah.
It'll be hotter.
Yeah.
But that's, you know, it's not going to be as efficient.
Right. Right.
But, you know, you got to kind of weigh the good and the bad. You got an old house here. You know,
Yeah,
if it
but
was me, well, go ahead.
I'm here alone in the winter, so I can tolerate lower temperatures. I don't have to have it up at 78 degrees.
Well, I mean, the high efficiency is going to cost you more to put in too. Because I gotta replace all this vent. It's all going to be the new stuff.
Oh yeah. You can't go into that.
Can't use that. That's all. That's not up to code anymore.
How do you get in here? I got a hole
Well,
there.
I'll punch a hole in the side
Oh,
here.
yeah.
I'll punch a hole in the side here and vent it in the side.
Yeah.
I can give you the price both ways. How's that sound? I even got the weights. So this is all single pane window shit.
Yeah. Yeah. I tightened.
Well, it looks like you changed. At least you changed the cord.
Yeah, I did.
Gets crusty.
People don't.
Oh, it's just only gonna last so long.